Hey guys, in this video I'm talking about my 14-day giveaway. Again, I'm talking about my 14-day giveaway. Now don't forget, if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel and like this video if it brings you value, because my goal is to help the ladies 30 and over get their bodies back and keep the weight off. That is my goal. So that is why I actually came up with this 14-day jumpstart program. I just wanted to help people, help ladies that's 30 and over get started with a few steps to get their body back without even paying anything for it. Just wanted to give it away because I wanted to bring more value to you, and I wanted to help you with fitness and health. A lot of people don't know how to get started with fitness, or they just need a little motivation, or they just need some structure. So that's why this program, this 14-day program, I took a few days really to come up with it, and I planned out a structure for what you need to do each day within the 14 days to get you started. It's a great way for you to just jumpstart your way to health and fitness and getting the body back that you want, that you used to have. You know, because a lot of ladies that I've trained over the years, they used to have the body that they want, and they just want that body back. If they like, if only I can have that body back I used to have. Now, that's why this 14-day program is a great way for you to get started on that journey. And I'll walk you step by step each day of what to do within the 14 days to get going. Now, of course, in 14 days, you're not going to get your body back, but this is just the starting process of you getting back within these 14 days. I'm going to give you the structure of how to get started to seeing results, to getting stronger, to looking better, to dropping body fat, to getting that body back to where you used to have it. So don't forget, click the link below. All you got to do is enter your email, then my 14-day jumpstart program will be emailed right to you. That's it. That's all it is. Now, of course, if you have any questions, you're welcome to follow with me, because I'll love to help you out and answer any questions you may have. But it's pretty self-explanatory. You go right through it. It'll give you step-by-step what to do every day for the 14-day jumpstart. Again, my goal is to help ladies 30 and over get your body back and keep it off, because it is possible. I've trained so many ladies through the years that drop 10, 20, 30, 40, even 50 pounds within a year. It is possible to do it, but you got to start. So that's why I create this program, just to jumpstart, kickstart you right into getting your body back. So I'm excited. I look forward to helping you. Now, don't forget, if you're not subscribed to this channel, definitely subscribe to this channel, because what I'm doing on this channel is giving you the tips and different strategies to help give your body back. I'm just giving it to you right on this channel. So if you subscribe to this channel, every week you get some type of content from me that's going to help empower you to being healthier, fit, and getting that body back. But not only getting it back, because you can get it back, but I want to help you keep it. I want to help you keep the weight up, not just get it back, but keep it up. So it's L2LT Fit. Have a great day. Thanks a lot.